YouTube, and welcome back to another video. So today, y'all, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I do my lips when I do my everyday makeup. And y'all, it's very simple, so I'm gonna be sharing that with y'all to see if y'all want to try it and see how I look on y'all, whatever. But y'all say hey to Brooklyn. Say hey, mama. Hey. Hey. But y'all, that's what we're gonna be doing today. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So y'all, I already did my makeup for today, so the last thing I gotta do is my lips, so let's get into it.